Imagine your car as a loyal companion, faithfully carrying you through your daily adventures. Just like us, cars need some TLC to stay in tip-top shape. A car wash is like a spa day for your vehicle, washing away dirt and grime and protecting it from damage. There are various types of car washes to choose from. Automatic car washes are quick and convenient. Self-service washes give you control. Hand washes offer meticulous cleaning. Touchless washes use high-pressure jets. Mobile washes come to you, and waterless washes are eco-friendly, conserving water. Car wash centers offer efficiency, using specialized equipment for a thorough clean. They provide quality cleaning with professional-grade products. Additional services like waxing protect your car's paint. These centers also conserve water with recycling systems and offer convenience, allowing you to multitask while your car gets cleaned. To start a car wash business, conduct market research and develop a detailed business plan. Comply with legal requirements and choose a suitable location. Invest in high-quality equipment and decide on the services you'll offer. Hire and train staff and promote your business through various marketing strategies.